This video is about time, is about clock. The Peregrino Sinus time, the future chronograph, metric time. And here's the Peregrino Sinus time illustration. Time is 6:44:17. Peregrino Sinus time or 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 17 peri-seconds. Peregrino Sinus time because I also the one of the creator of this chronograph. Okay. And the one Paul D of the Peregrino Sinus time is 20 peri-hours. So again, 1 Paul D is 20 peri-hours. Then 100 peri-seconds is 1 peri-minute. And 100 peri-minutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 peri-minute is composed of 100 peri-seconds. And 1 peri-hour is composed of 100 peri-minutes. Again, the Paul D of the Peregrino Sinus time. 1 Paul D is 20 peri-hours. 1 Paul D is 2,000 peri-minutes. And 1 Paul D is 200,000 peri-seconds rather. So, time, so again, the clock illustration of the Peregrino Sinus time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. And the one is 10 peri-seconds or peri-minutes. And the 2 is 20 peri-seconds or peri-minutes. And the 3 is 30 peri-seconds and peri-minutes. And the 4 is 40 peri-seconds or peri-minutes. And the 5 is 50 peri-seconds or peri-minutes. And 6 is 60. 7 is 70. 8 is 90. 8 is 80. And 9 is 90. And 10 is 100. So time equivalent. Peregrino Sinus time, 2 standard time. 1 peri-hours Peregrino Sinus time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. And 1 peri-minute Peregrino Sinus time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And the 1 peri-second Peregrino Sinus time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So another equivalent standard time to Peregrino Sinus time. 1 hour standard time is equal to 0.8333333 peri-hours Sinus time or Peregrino Sinus time. 1 minute standard time is equal to 1.388889 peri-minute Peregrino Sinus time. And 1 second standard time is equal to 2.31481 peri-seconds Peregrino Sinus time. So, again, the clock illustration of Peregrino Sinus time. Peri-second, peri-minute, peri-hour, This units of time is followed by my name because my nickname is Peri. The advantage of the Peregrino Sinis time is you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because the Peregrino Sinis time is decimal time and metric time. So, that's all. And thank you so much.